Hey everyone, Tando here. So I had seen on the QuikMVP feed someone had posted one of their business model sentences, and it read as follows. We take subscription fees from buyers who are actively buying SMBs. I assume that's small, medium businesses. Charge sellers a transaction fees and take an advertising fee. It's pretty straightforward. So this is how I would make the first version of their application and track their KPIs. I named it We Sell SMBs. And this is a description of it. It's a platform where you can buy and sell small, medium businesses and charge transaction fee and take advertising fees. Customers will be the buyers and sellers of SMBs. Put that in there and let's generate. So let's just generate a business model canvas, which we'll use to generate our strategy basically, and just to map out our business, just an overview of the business system. So there it is. You can edit it. So whatever you don't like, you can just change and you can save it, and it'll save it as it is onto your computer. I'll make it soon so that you can save it onto the dashboard and you can edit this business model and update it. And then you can press the next step. The next step was basically things that you have to do to generate an MVP for your project. So let's just click next there. And this is what you'd have to go through. So to get started, you have an overview of your business model and what tech you would need to get everything started. And then you'll have your step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 will basically be where you would launch your business onto the feed and get some small feedback from other founders. Step 2 would be where you can add in a web application. So you've had some form of validation from other founders that they would use your application. And then step 3 would be to have like a hard launch where you would launch it on a platform like Twitter and then get you ready to launch on a platform like Product Hunt or whatever. That's going to bring a lot of traffic to your web app. So after all this has been produced for you, what you can also do is you can just come and log your KPIs. So right now I don't have any KPIs logged for this account. So KPI that I want to use is revenue. And add whatever amount of revenue that I have here, and that adds it on there. It will get a little bit more complicated as time goes, but for now I just wanted to make a very simple version and see if people actually wanted to use something like this. And yeah, I'll eventually make this a lot better. But you can come on to this every day or every week or whenever you want to really, and just track whatever KPIs you want to track. At some point, I'm going to make it more centered around revenue and users, but you can track whatever you want, like active users or web visits, anything really. And that's basically it.